Good day, traders. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to explain all the trades I took from Monday to Friday, which is from 19th of October 2020 to 23rd of October 2020, all based on the ICT optimal trade entry, shortened as the OTE. So we are on the 15-minute time frame, Euro USD. So this is the first trade I took, which is, you can see the date right here below. So what I do first is I do my top-down analysis from daily time frame to 4 hour, 1 hour, and then to smaller time frames. Sometimes I scale down to the 5 minutes, but I use the 15 minutes mostly. So and this horizontal line you see right here identifies from it's identified from 8:30 in the morning New York time to 11 a.m. New York time, which is the time window which you look for the OTE. So let's go to the daily time frame and see how we took this first trade. Okay, so here we are. Let me hide these drawing tools. So this is daily time frame. I think we have this candle on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So I could remember this was my first target to rate this candle's high. For the short term, you can see on Monday, I was pretty bullish this week because the XY was dropping and Euro USD was moving higher. You can see after it took out this sell stops right here, this drop, so it goes up and then traded back into this order block right here. So this was my first target trade this high, and it did. And on the second day, you can see how it traded this candle also, which was my second target. And then on Wednesday, it took out this equal highs right here. And Thursday, I think it was today, I took a shot and see how bullish it was. And Friday was, I was in the year, you'll see them all. So sometimes if I identify a level in the daily time frame, we also see it in the 4 hour, because price is always fractal, so they are all almost the same. So let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. I hope you get that. Okay, so let me unhide the drawing tools. Yeah, so for this trade, you could see the high I was targeting. So on this trade, when I want to draw my fib, I draw it from the low, from the previous low to the previous high when I'm long. You can see the low here and the high here, and then price traded back to this level. This level 62%, 71.5%, 79.0% are the optimal trade entry position you look for. You can see this red candle here was this red candle triggered my buy limit at 62% retracement level. Sometimes I put my buy limit, I set my buy limit in between 62% and 70.5, but sometimes I just leave it at 62 to be on the safer side because of spread sometimes and all. But it's okay. Sometimes price push up to 79% retracement level, but I'm okay even if I enter at 62%. So 0% is always my first target. I usually take half or more than half, or sometimes exit the trade depending on how it's moving at 0%. So you can see it's okay to draw the low and the high from London close. You can see them, and then yeah, let's say it's this for it. You can see how I set my buy limit in the middle of 62 and 70.5 retracement level, and exactly that's where it's true. Yeah. So let's go to the second one. You can see the second one. Okay, let me put this for you. So this is the time window for the OTE. Let me remove it for you to see the candle that triggered my buy limit. This low was from London close and also the high also. So immediately at 8:30 in the morning, you can see how this candle triggered my buy limit at 62.5, 62.0, sorry, percent retracement level. I think this was it. Yeah, you can see, and then it reached my target, the extension. So this high was also my target. I drew from 4 hour or daily time frame. Yeah, and it did rated. And also the third one, the low was from London, and then the high I used was from London also. Price traded back through up to 79% retracement level, and then you can see how it pushed. I think this was the, yeah, up to this negative 100 extension. This, I think this high, I wanted price to take out the buy stops from here, and it did. Let's see. Yeah, you could see where I was with the level I was switching to. Yeah. So and then the fourth trade was a short. You can see the on price reached the retracement level at 10:45. It was also just between the time window, just 15 minutes to 11. It's okay. It's okay to leave your trade to run if you're okay with it after 11, because sometimes the market is kind of very slow and consolidating. But you can see it it's my target to the extension, yeah, which was great. And then the last trade, which was a loss, I took on Friday. Let me try it again. I think I had a high. The low was from here, and then the high was here. I wanted price, I was expecting price to rate this high right here and to get to buy stops right here, most probably, and then hit my stop loss. This was the trade. Yeah. Well, so what I saw is price reached for this low right here. It took out the sell stops, yeah, and then it forms an optimal trade entry later on. As you know, it's a Friday, so it is what it is. Yeah, you can see it traced back to 62% retracement level, and then boom, reach here. I also took, no, I didn't execute the trade because I was just checking out. This is the breakup block trade. You can see that this high was traded, and then there is a break of structure from here, this down candle. So I price it returned to the down candle to this other block here, and then you can see how it dropped. So thanks all for watching. I hope it was helpful. See you next time.